he's gonna build it up. You missed Yay! Yay!
Raiden the Destroyer!
Like every time I put it up, you come around and smash it. Huh? That's when I come around and smash it all the time, huh? Baby?
He's not gonna be able to get to there. Or wait.
Yeah! Yay! Orange, red, green. Yeah! Yay! Yay!
Good job! Don't be shy. Come on. Come on. Let's dance. Let's dance. Wow! Good job! Good job, baby! Wow! He hurt his eye, honey. Good job, baby! Are you gonna be a dancer? Yeah. Wow. Wow. Good job. Wow. You're such a great dancer, Baba. More? More? Look, Daddy, look. Look. Yeah. Where are you going, Baba? You're going backwards. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Come here. Raiden, come here. Come on. Are you stuck? Oh, okay. We're gonna get off. Good job. Good job. Okay, get on. Get on again. Get on. Is that how we ride? Is that how we ride our car? Oh God. Here we go. You're gonna fall. Okay, yan na. Yan na. Oh. Oh. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada, Raiden? Hello. Look at your hair. What's wrong with your hair, Raiden? We gotta cut it. It's getting long again. And let him walk.
Mom, Ramel's said he's gonna call you at 4:30.
Sorry?
Ramel said that he's gonna call you at 4:30.
Oh.
Come on, Baba, let's walk. Baba Raiden, Baba Raiden. Hi. Hello. Come here. Walk to Mama. Walk to Mama. Come here. Here, grab this ball. Grab this ball.
Raiden.
Where are we going, Raiden?
Where are we going, Raiden? Yeah.
Wow, you have a crown jewel. Yeah, Daddy's not gonna appreciate that, Raiden. Yep. Nope, nope, nope. Hi.
Peekaboo, peekaboo.
You don't even know.
Peekaboo, peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Okay, dance. Okay. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo.
It's okay, Baba. It's a car wash. Whoa. It's okay, Baba. It's okay. Get our car wash. He's like looking around. He's like,
What's all that noise, baby?
it's okay.
What's all that noise, baby Raven?
Well, this is
Car's
probably
getting
where
washed.
he's gonna get scared.
Getting a bath. The car's getting a bath, like you.